how do you see places where your iPhone photos were taken on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up Photos app. Next, open up a picture that you want to view the location. And then tap on the information button at the bottom. Swipe up to go down, and in here, you'll be able to see the location of where your picture was taken. If you tap on that and zoom in, you can further find the exact location of the picture or the places of the picture that were taken. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back. If the location is not correct, you can also tap on the adjust button to put in the correct location. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my, you tap on the adjust button down here, and here you can put in the correct location. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.